Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, the Browning version by Terence Rattigan. This chapter actually is a form of a drama, and here two characters, one is Frank and second one is Taplow. Frank, who is a teacher, and Taplow, the student. And this is the conversation between the both of the character, the teacher and the student, and the topic of the conversation of the another teacher, that the point of view of the Taplow and the Frank, who is a new teacher and have the sense of jealousy, the teacher of the school, because the teacher they are talking about is very sincere and disciplined and follow all the rules and regulations of the school. That is why students have special respect and some kind of fear inside their heart, and Frank is little jealous with him. So students, let's continue our chapter and what they're talking about them. The first character, Frank. Do I know you? Taplow. No, sir. Frank. What's your name? Taplow. Frank. Taplow. No, I don't. You are not a scientist, I gather. You are not a scientist means here is just a common introduction between the Taplow and the Frank. Taplow, according to Frank, Taplow is not a student of science. Taplow, no sir, I am still in the lower fifth. It means lower fifth means till now he is not able to choose any stream. Student, this chapter belong to the countries where the student occupied their stream in the fifth standard. That is why Frank is telling about that you are not a scientist. Taplow, no sir, I am still in the lower fifth. I can't specialize until next term. Specialize means to say he will be able to get his stream, his subject in his next session. That's so to say if I have got my remove, all right. Remove it means to say the promotion to the next class. Frank, don't you know if you have got your remove? क्या तुम्हें अभी तक पता नहीं कि तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हुआ या नहीं? तुम नेक्स्ट क्लास में अभी तक प्रमोट हुए हो या नहीं हुए हो? Taplow, no sir. Mr. Crocker Harris. Crocker Harris is the teacher student who is senior to Mr. Frank, and Frank have sense of little jealousy for Mr. Crocker Harris. Doesn't tell us the result like the other master. Taplow is saying that Mr. Crocker Harris, the class teacher of Frank, the class teacher of Taplow, he is different from other master, and he does not believe to tell any secrets about the result before the declaration day. Frank, why not? Taplow, well, you know what he is like, sir. Frank, I believe there is a rule that form result should only be announced by the headmaster on the last day of term. Of course. Taplow, yes, but who else pays attention to it except Mr. Crocker Harris? According to the rules, the result must be announced only the day of the result announcement. But according to Taplow, Mr. Crocker Harris is the only teacher who follows the rule. Frank, I admit, but that's no criteria. So you have got to wait until tomorrow to know your fate. Have you? It means you have to be wait tomorrow to know whether you are passed or not. Taplow, yes sir. Frank, supposing the answer is favorable, wait, what then? Taplow, oh, science sir, of course. If according to Taplow, if he would be passed, he will surely occupy the subject stream of science. Frank, yes, we get all the slackers. Taplow, oh, I am extremely interested in science, sir. Frank, are you? I am not. Not at least in the science I have to teach. Okay, Frank, well, anyway, sir, it's good. Deal more exciting than its muck, indicating his book. He is now indicating to his book here. Frank, what is the muck? Taplow, oh, sir, it's Aeschylus. Sir, the Aeschylus, the Agamemnon. It means it's a form of literature here. The Frank is the teacher of literature. Taplow, Oh, yes, sir, Frank, and your considered view is that the Agamemnon is muck. It means you mean to say that these kind of books and subjects are useless. Taplo, well, no, sir. I don't think the play is muck. Exactly, I suppose, in a way, it's rather a good plot, really a wife murdering her husband and all that. I only mean the way it's taught to us just a lot of Greek words strung together in 50 lines if you get them wrong. It means to say, in this play taught by Mr. Frank, this is dependent upon the language of Greek. Basically, the words of this drama is Greek. Those are not very under easy to understand by the students. That is why he is not interested to read these kind of subjects. Frank, you sound a little bitter, Taplo. Taplo, I'm rather, sir. Frank, Captain, yeah. Taplo, no, sir, extra work. Frank, extra work on the last day of the school? Taplo, yes, sir, and I might be playing off golf. And you would think he would have enough to do anyway himself, considering he is leaving tomorrow for good. But oh no, I missed a day last week when I was ill. Oh, so here I am, and look at the weather, sir. It means now Taplo is spending one more day in the school, and that is a type of punishment for him because he was absent from the class last week. And Frank is very surprised because this is the last day of the school, and Taplo is getting a different type of punishment over there. Frank, bad luck. Still, there's one comfort. You are pretty well certain to get your removed tomorrow for being a good boy in taking extra work. It means to say, if you are giving your extra time here, surely you will be get removed from your next class. So these conversation between both of the characters thoroughly about the character of Mr. Crocker Harris, who is the senior teacher, and we will continue tomorrow, student. Just read it out again, and we will continue tomorrow. Goodbye.